Nakikita ko pa, i-repost nila, ganyan. So talagang screenshot agad, tapos send ako sa mga kaibigan, i-repost nila, ganyan. So talagang nakakatuwa yung ganun. Kasi sobrang laking name nila sa industry and for them to acknowledge lang na may ganitong kanta, di ba? Sobrang thankful ko lang lagi. Ayan.
Ayan. So, also your MD features si Andres and si Ashley
Yes.
from Amatana Section TV. And they also played Rachel and Keeper in the series. And so, gusto ko naman malaman if are you rooting for them in the show? So, are you team Ashdres or team Ashley?
Ako, hindi naman ako specifically na nagro-root sa isang love team. Gusto ko lang talaga ng magandang kwento. So, wherever the story goes. Pero I think Ashdres naman siya sa, Jayfer, tama ba? I think doon din naman mag-e-end yung story. So, ano lang talaga ako. Gusto ko lang ng magandang kwento. Gusto ko yung kinakabahan ako, ganyan. Kasi, pinapanood ko rin talaga yung series. Dahil meron na akong subscription sa Vivo One. Ayun. Subscribe.
And thank you. And then last na, we know you have a cat named si Rupert.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then so when you play music at home, I'm sure he also tunes in, nakikinig siya pag nagpa-play ka ng music. So how does he react to when you sing your songs, or baka may favorite siyang kanta na tinutugtog mo?
I think wala naman siyang favorite song, pero palagi lang siyang nakakatulog kapag kumakanta ako. So, madalas binibidyohan ko yun, tapos pinapost ko lang sa TikTok, ganyan. So, laging siya, favorite siya ng mga followers ko, si Rupert.
Sobrang comforting din yung mga songs talaga.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and we're looking forward to more songs from you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ina. For our next questions will be coming from Dea Ibanez from Pop Journal.